Ang problem natin is y squared is equal to 4ax. Ang una natin gagawin is, since isa lang ang constant, isang masas lang tayo mag-differentiate d over dx. Magiging d, magiging, pag dinifferentiate mo ang y squared, magiging 2y dy over dx equal to 4a. So, from the original equation, alam natin na y squared is equal to 4ax. Ito, kailangan natin itong ma-eliminate. So, gawin natin na divide natin both sides by x. Kaya magiging, makakancel to. So, kaya magiging 4a is equal to y squared over x. Palitan natin to dito sa equation na to. So, 2y prime equal to y squared over x. Multiply natin both sides by x. Magiging 2xy prime equal to y squared. Lipat natin tong y squared sa left side. 2xy prime minus y squared is equal to 0. Common sa kanila ang y. Kaya divide natin both sides by y para mas ma-simplify pa. Magiging 2xy prime minus y equal to 0. 2xy prime is equal to dy over dx. Palitan natin, magiging dy over dx siya. Dy over dx. Multiply both sides by dx. Magiging 2x dy minus y dx equal to 0. So, yan na yung final answer.